Welcome to the latest edition of news at NWU, your window to what's making headlines at our Northwest University, where curiosity leads. Prof Bismark Tyobeka has hailed the country's new energy transition strategy, the Integrated Resource Plan, as bold and progressive, noting its environmental benefits among others. The plan, which entails a shift away from fossil fuels to renewable gas and nuclear energy, was announced on Sunday, 19 October, by Electricity and Energy Minister Dr. Kgomotso Mereotlhe, and Prof Tyobeka said that he views it as a strong affirmation from the South African government of its climate obligations. On Friday, 17 October, Dr. Mmusi Maimane, leader of Build One South Africa, a member of Parliament and chairperson of the Standing Committee on Appropriation, had students enthralled with an engaging guest lecture on policy implementation hosted by the School of Government Studies. His lecture was titled Policy Implementation, Challenges, Opportunities and Pathways for Effective Governance in South Africa. Maimane was passionate in his plea that students engage in public discourse as much as possible. The School of Communications successfully hosted its second annual Industry Summit in 2025 under the theme Foolproofing Yourself for the World of Word. Held across all three campuses, the summit featured a dynamic lineup of presentations and panel discussions led by professionals from across the communication industry. Held across all three campuses, the summit featured a dynamic lineup of presentations and panel discussions led by professionals from across the communications industry. The complex relationship between aviation, tourism and climate change is the focus of research by Kgomotso Mereotlhe, a lecturer at the School of Tourism Management, who says that although the aviation industry plays a vital role in supporting tourism and international businesses, she warns that the industry also harms the environment due to aircraft engines emitting heat and gases that contribute to global warming, acid rain, smog, and ozone depletion. Thank you for joining us for this edition of News at NWU. Join us again next time as we look at how the NWU is shaping our country's future by exploring new ideas and possibilities. It all starts here.